Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for Bigo Live. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To sign up for Bigo Live, make sure you've downloaded Bigo Live for your Android or iOS device. After it is done, simply go to the app list and tap Open Bigo Live. To continue, you'll need to enter your mobile number. After you enter the mobile number, tap on the next button. And you can see that on the very top right corner of the screen, there's a sign up button. Just tap on it, and right beside your phone number, you'll see a send button. Tap on the send button and a verification code will be sent to you via SMS. After that, your verification code has been entered automatically. On the next page, you'll need to create a password for your account. After entering a password, tap on the sign up button. Now, to upload a profile picture, simply tap on the camera icon and choose the profile picture from your gallery. But before that, tap on allow access for Bigo Live to take pictures and record video. Enter a username for your account. Click on either you are a male or a female. You can enter your birthday information by tapping on the birthday and selecting your date of birth. After you're done, tap on confirm and tap on the next button. You can skip this step for now by tapping on the skip button located on the top right corner of the screen as well. Here is a list of the top trending broadcasters. You can select or deselect them and click on the done button. With this simple step, you have successfully signed up to Bigo Live. And that is how you can sign up for Bigo Live. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.